Hello world of YouTube, my name is William and today I will be reviewing the Adventure Mate version 2. This is a 5-in-1 adventure tool. It's an axe, saw, shovel, hammer and hook. Something I've been waiting for a while, but it's finally made its way out into the world and it has arrived.
Yeah, look at that.
Whoa, cool.
Wow.
All right.
Nice.
Oh, we've got a, here's your CO2 token. To let you know, by purchasing an Adventure Mate version 2, you have offset 1 set of carbon emissions and planted a tree. How good is that, Mum?
That is awesome.
Yeah.
Wow. Sweet. What a beautiful picture.
Feels sturdy for sure. All right, so we've got a logo in here on the leather. We've got a clip, which you can open with one hand. That's pretty cool. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. Designed and assembled in USA, Virginia Beach. That pops off like so. And
Snazzy.
oh,
Look at that.
that feels very solid. It's quite a heavy axe head. So, I think the way this works is this flips up. There's a button there. Press that. Oh, there we go.
Nice.
And then this pops back in like so. This goes down. And there we have a saw. Use that. It feels quite sturdy actually. Wow, alright.
It looks solid. It really looks solid.
Yeah,
Doesn't it?
it feels solid. Slide it out. Slide it back in. It's got a click, which is good. And then I think by pressing that cam, it just secures it.
Excellent.
Alright, great. Let's see what else is in the field kit. Ah, and then this is the spade. Oh, wow. That's bigger than I was expecting. I think the way that works is press this, take that out, pop our spade in, like so.
Nice.
Click that. Alright. There we go. That's actually a pretty decent sized shovel. And that's actually flush.
Oh, yes.
If you have a look, if you're chopping some wood and it's not gonna knock the lever.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Alright, now let's have a look what's in our field kit. Ooh, user guide. Bonus blade. Ooh, Sophie, need to change the saw. So it's one thing to unbox it in a living room, but now let's take it out into the wild and do a field test with it.
Go. Yes.